Hello guys! Welcome to Business Alberta Online. In this video, we will learn how to place an order on our website, using Alberta Corporation as an example. To open the homepage, please type BusinessAlberta.ca in the search tool. From the menu bar on the top of the website, please select Incorporate and Alberta Corporation. There are 3 packages available on the website: Basic, Standard, and Comprehensive. I will choose a Standard as it includes a mandatory CRA business number, corporate tax ID, and a minute book. The Standard Corporation in Alberta can be incorporated in just 2 business hours. It includes articles and certificate of incorporation, CRA business number, corporate tax ID, bylaws, and minute book. On the right side of the website, you can find a guideline that can explain the product to you. You can click Incorporate Now button. Here you can select the registration queue. I'm in a hurry, so we'll go for a 2 business hours queue. Next, choose between the numbered and named corporation. A numbered name is the simplest way to name your corporation because the government assigns the number. I will go for a named corporation. Albertan WAN's report and name approval will be required. Don't forget to select a legal suffix. Each legal suffix has the same meaning and significance, so it doesn't really matter. I choose Inc. because it sounds good. Please add the major activities of the corporation. In this step, please provide the corporation's address. It must be a physical address in Alberta and can't be a P.O. box. If you don't have a physical address in Alberta, Business Alberta Online provides a registered office address and a mail scanning service. Every Alberta corporation must appoint an agent for service who must reside in Alberta. This individual would be the primary point of all communications from the government. A valid Canadian photo ID is required. Please upload it on the website. If all directors are non-Alberta residents, you can appoint an Alberta attorney or use the service offered by Business Alberta Online. Elect the director. Director is a head of the corporation. He should be at least 18 years old, not declared in a state of bankruptcy. You can add up to 10 directors. If you want to add more than 5 directors, you may need to place a customized order. For now, you can place an order with the 5 directors and, afterward, give Business Alberta Online a call to convert it into a customized order. A minute book consists of bylaws, share structure, minutes, and other legal sections. Without it, a corporation is not complete. The electronic minute book is already included in my package, so I will only add a binder to it. Anybody can be an officer, including the employees. He has no decision-making power. There are no specific rules governing officer titles. You may use any title that best describes the officer's responsibilities. Because a corporation is a legal entity by itself, it could be owned only through its shares. The corporation's assets and stocks are split into pieces, and each of these pieces is called a share. A shareholder owns the corporation and receives profit from the business as dividends and shares. Shareholders can be individuals or other businesses. You can add or remove the shareholder at any time. Next step is CRA accounts registration, such as a GST account. Every time a business incurs an expense, be it rent or paying for goods, it pays GST. If you set up the account, you can claim it back. If you have employees, including yourself, you must set up a payroll account. If your goods or raw materials cross the Canadian border, you are required to clear customs using the Import-Export account. You can reserve a domain name or a website address if you wish to create a website for your company. Business Alberta Online does its best to get the domain name to match your corporation's name. They can register a domain name for up to 5 years. WCB is the Workers' Compensation Board registration. If your corporation has employees, except directors and shareholders, you must register for WCB. You might add some useful corporate supplies to your business, such as share certificates. A share certificate is a physical document that shows the number of shares owned by a shareholder. Corporate seal or personal stamp is an extra protection against fraudulent activity. As my company is new, I will add a 1-year service support, so the Business Alberta accounting team can help me respond to the notices received from the government and provide some guidelines and support. Finally, here is the price summary. On this page, I can see what is included in my order and the grand total. I can go back and remove or add items. The final review is the last chance to correct the mistakes in your order. Please carefully go through the order and check the provided information. You still can modify it. If all looks good, click the Proceed to Payment button. The last step is the checkout page. Here you will enter your billing details. Examine the subtotal. If the total appears to be excessive, check the cart. Perhaps you neglected to remove any goods there. Business Alberta Online accepts Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and debit card payments. You can pay with a PayPal as well. Whenever you are ready, click on Place Order button. The order has been placed. Good job!